Good morning, Clearbrow, North Dallas. Taking you through an open house on our video here. When you come to Clearbrow, North Dallas, this is the facility, Building 17, Suite E, and next door is Ceramic Coating Texas, D, 17D. And this is our complex. It's the Texas Business Park at 308 FM 1830 in Argyle. Let's take a walk inside, and this is what you'll see when you get there. And we got plenty of parking and all kinds of parking going on all over here. We got more buildings going in over here. It's a brand new park. So when you look online or your mapping system here, remember it takes time for the systems to propagate with all the other systems out there. So be patient. If you have any questions, just give us a call. We'll help you get here. So when you come in, you can go through either door. It says entrance to point to D, but that's only because behind here sometimes we're working on the programs for the things that we put on the car called paint protection film or Clearbrow. They are the same. Clearbrow is a nickname for the paint protection film. They are not two different products. And our primary product here is the Expel Ultimate Plus. And this is just an example of some of the packages that we carry. We carry a basic package we call the Economy. We got the what we call the Basic, which is a full front. And then we have the Standard. Some people refer to it as a track pack. And then we have the full car, which is the full car. So let's take a walk inside through 17 here. When you come in, this is going to be our plotter area. This is where we program everything for the patterns, and we got some large screens that run through the whole facility. When you come in through D, this is our client area where we have all our examples, and we talk about the products that we sell and some other things. Go back out into the shop area. We'll flip around here and take a look at the plotter area. So the shop runs 4,000 square feet, plenty of lights. We need those lights to see what's going on with your paint for scuffing, swirls, a lot of things you can't see in certain lights. Right now the cars might look really good outside and inside, but once we get them in here and we turn on the 53 lights that we have all the way around, our filtration system that runs on both sides, and then all the lights along those walls. So once we get all those kicked on, it gets pretty crazy. So let's take a walk over here. We've got two wash bays inside. Our wash bays include a lot of different items they're all electronic to get your cars clean. There's the standing from one side of the shop. We got tandem doors that roll through. We got 3 lifts, and we got polished floors. A clean facility is extremely important. We use 16 feet of peel boards, 20 feet on that side, and another 10 foot in the center. Full security system, alarm system, fully insured for our clients' protection and ours. Let's come over here. Got a little bit of a C7 here, got a Type R going in. Let's look at this angle of the shop. Coming around this side, full suppression system for fires. That is the greatest thing right there. That system is so high tech. It's fully computer driven. What a great new facility. I picked it out over a lot of different facilities. It was a brand new build. So everything's really pretty much state of the art for these facilities when you get them. This table in the center is a cut table. This is where we bring out all our patterns after using the plotter area, and where we program everything, and we bring it out here and then start checking it out and trimming it. So let's come over this way. This guy's ready for delivery this morning. This blue Vet's getting ready to deliver soon. Another storage facility for all our products. That's a paint correction hub only. And then we have some filtered water over here for certain applications. We've got our Tesla chargers. We've got 3 of those inside. Keep your Tesla all charged up. There's our 20 feet of peel board over here. And I think we've got just about everything covered. Here's the other wash bay over here. And again, another angle of the shop this way. So plenty of space, nice and clean. Storage facility, soon gonna be our offices up there in that mezzanine. And again, I don't have all the lights on because I don't want them on. They're too bright, but they work great when we want to look at some paint and see all the scuffing we want to get out. So for your window tinting, paint protection, clear bra, paint correction, ceramic coating needs, this is a great facility for that. It was set up just for that, to bring out the best job we possibly can. So there it is, folks, Clear Bra, North Dallas. When you come out to our Argyle facility, this is what you get to see. So thank you for watching. Any questions, give us a call, 214-414-3809. Have a great day.